Never played though. Just know the first 5 chords.
So, for my orchestration, or our orchestration, excuse me, this time, you play the, of course. And euphonium, will you play the timpani part, please? And John, have the snare drum. And then when we get to 23, flute, clarinet 1, and oboe on line 1. On line 2, clarinet 2 and 3, alto saxophone and tenor saxophone, and all trumpets. However you guys want to divide that, one of you be on the top and one of you be on the bottom. Okay? And then bassoon will stay on the third line. And then at 23, the trombones enter with her, and, well, tenor trombone, and then bass and tuba if you'll be on the bottom part of the fourth line. Are there any questions?
And we all knew it because we could tell by your face. So that's all right. It's good. So you're responding to you. Make sure you respond to them. Okay? Yeah. And you showed a crescendo, and they didn't respond, and it ticked you off. And that was when you started to get lost. Did you all see that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it was really good. You respond really very good. Let's go. Let's try it again. Make sure that you're leading and you're feeling that internal pulse really strong. Okay? Right. Stop. That measure, you're late in the downbeat. 3 plus 2.
No, I'm trying to make it 2 3s instead of 3 plus 2.
Yeah. Well, let's not do that.
Okay.
Let's do that directly. 4 bars of 423. Or actually, do 5. That makes more sense. Okay, 5 bars of 4. Okay, so look at your score. Look before 23. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3. Make sense? Okay, 5 bars of 4. Good, do that again. There you go. That's better. And a little bit more from your ictus. A little bit more rebound. Okay. Good. Leading into 23, that was cool.
Yes.
Yeah, that was very cool. And 23 could have been better if you would have had a look of expectation of, there it is. Okay, we were just missing that. The reason I stopped 1 bar before 24 is zap, bump, bump. Okay, we need that gesture. Okay, yeah, and they're playing it really well, but not necessarily because of. Okay. All right, so here's the top of page 301. That was much better. Thank you for that. That's why I'm saying it.
Okay.
It's not that I'm intentionally trying to throw things at you. In a way, I am. But I'm saying what I would be thinking if I was conducting. Okay? So I'm with the soloist. I'm with the soloist a beat before. I'm with the soloist, just so that there's a feeling of camaraderie between you and them. Okay? Yeah, that was a lot better. Now let's start in the 5. 24 directly. That was a really good gesture. It wasn't too big. It wasn't. I mean, it worked really well. Okay. Anyway, have a question.
3 after 24.
Go ahead.
Is that supposed to be a B flat on the last?
What line are you looking at?
The first line.
In the third B.
Yeah, because there's no flat next to it. There's no key signature. It says it's B natural, but beforehand is the C flat. So do I?
Ooh, solid question, Chris.
Pretty sure that would be a B natural then.
No,
It's
it's a B flat because we have a C flat in the next one.
Why should
I
it
don't know my glasses. Is that a C flat right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be B flat. It's a B flat. Yeah. It'll sound better then. It'll sound more like the melody. Okay, 24. Okay, so Erin, makes it's in 5 for how many measures? No, let me see. Okay. But you understand it goes A, B, A, B. Okay. So be with the people that have the melody each of the 4 times. Okay? 24. Okay, so you gave her the cue as she was to play. So try to be with her a beat before. Do you drive a car?
Yes.
Are you a good driver?
Hopefully. Yes, I'm a good driver.
You're a good driver? Do you look ahead as you drive?
Yes.
Nope.
Well, I know not to ask you. Okay, so look ahead further. Don't fall off the
More
mountain.
likely screaming at someone.
24, please.
Stop. You had negative visualization before it even happened. I could see. You're approaching. You're thinking, oh, I'm gonna miss it, and then. Did you all see that?
Yeah.
That was so awesome.
Yep.
Okay. God, I love this class. Before the end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start right in the 5th bar.
Okay.
And let's just nail the stuff out of that. Bam! On B3.
It
Boom.
won't be like this.
Are you ready?
And again, tell them where we're at. Some of them are confused for some
All
reason.
right, the 9/8 bar before the end.
Okay. Erin, you have a great sense of will, a great sense of self that will be really helpful to you as a teacher and a conductor. It's very good. Comments, please.
Yes.
It's very evident that you studied your score. Like you said, you look great, and we can tell what you want. And like from last semester to this semester, like the transition, it's like there was no break. And I mean, it's great.
You showed some really awesome facial expressions when you wanted like dynamic change. They were great. But it would also be really nice to see some facial expressions conveying like the mood of the music, because it's kind of a little bit blank whenever you're not intentionally kind of thinking, yeah, man. Okay. There's no good way to put that.
There's better ways
Overall,
than
it's very right.
that.
One thing at the very beginning, though, you were using a lot of body movement, so it would be like that, or then
Yeah, and
it's
what you
like
just
three-
shown,
Okay.
when you start a crescendo, there's some tension and you're doing this kind of a thing. You'll see that on the recording.
Okay.
Good. Thank you very much. As Andrew's coming up, another reason